Solution of SV equation. We already derived the response, zero input response, zero input response, which is also known as the response due to initial condition, initial condition, response due to initial condition. Today we will discuss zero initial condition response, IC response, or the response due to due to response due to input, or the excitation, response due to input. All right, we know the response due to initial condition, response due to initial condition is xt is equal to e to the power at x0. Okay, we know the response due to initial condition is e to the power at x0. We derived this in our last class, where e to the power at is the Laplace inverse of 1 by si, Laplace inverse of si minus a inverse, which is known as the state transition matrix. Okay, uh, x0 is the initial condition vector, and x3 is the solution or the response, state response due to initial condition. Now the zero input response, or the response due to input. Zero IC response. That means there is no initial condition, so we will determine the response only due to excitation. Now we know that the state variable equation is x dot is equal to ax plus bu, all are matrix. Now taking Laplace transform, we know the Laplace transform of df dt is sfs minus f0. Since the initial condition is 0, that means if this is 0, so the Laplace transform of df dt is sfs. So if you take Laplace transform, that will be sxs. There will be no initial condition because we are determining the response due to excitation of the input only. So that means this is equal to a xs, all our matrix you know, plus b us. ওকে, মনে আছে তো কাল লাস্ট দিনে কি করেছিলাম? এক্স লাস্ট দিনে কি ছিল? এস ডেট ইকুয়াল টু এক্স plus bu. There is no input because the zero input. So in that case, we consider x dot equal to ax, and then from there we derive this. We derive this equation. Now here there is no initial condition, so response is due to only the input. So now taking this side, this term here, left hand side, x is equal to a xs is equal to b us. X is common, so therefore si minus a xs, si minus a xs is equal to b us. All right, that means xs is equal to si minus a inverse b us. All right, all our matrix you know. So this is the taking Laplace transform. Taking Laplace transform. After that, taking this side term in the left hand side. All right, taking this side term in the left hand side. ভালো করে দেখো. All right, now after that x is taking x is common, so x is equal to si minus a inverse. All right, so therefore xt, it is a response due to excitation, is Laplace inverse of xs. That is Laplace inverse of si minus a inverse b us. Polar matrix. Okay, Laplace inverse of, ঠিক আছে? So the Laplace in xt is the Laplace inverse of si minus a inverse b us. Clear? Is it clear? So
Yes, sir.
xt is Laplace inverse of si minus a inverse bs. Let us move. So the response due to input is Laplace inverse
স্যার
of,
একটু আগের থেকে যাবেন।
হ্যাঁ যাচ্ছি, si minus a inverse b us. Okay, si minus a inverse b us. ঠিক আছে? So now tell me, what will be the Laplace inverse of this? What will be the Laplace inverse of si minus a inverse b us? What will be the Laplace inverse? Now tell me, what will be the Laplace inverse of gs into not gs, assume this is, what will be the Laplace inverse of, say, a function ft fs, আচ্ছা fs into gs তোমরা করেছো, what will be the Laplace inverse of fs into gs? Hmm? If Laplace transform of ft is fs and Laplace transform of gt is gs, then what will be the Laplace inverse of fs into gs?
So ft into gt.
এটা ল্যাটার এন্ট্রি স্টুডেন্টরা বলছো? ল্যাটার এন্ট্রি
Yes, sir.
না, এটা একটু এ আছে। বাকি জেনারেল স্টুডেন্টরা বলো, এত তো পড়াশোনা করছো ম্যাথসে। What will be the Laplace inverse of fs into gs? Anyone? What will be the Laplace inverse of fs into gs? Hmm? You don't know convolution theorem? Convolution theorem? The Laplace inverse of this will be 0 to t f tau gt minus tau d tau. Convolution theorem? Don't heard about convolution theorem? Hmm? Laplace transform of fs into gs, inverse of fs gs is equal to this. Or if you know the Laplace transform of ft convolution gt is equal to 0 to t f tau gt minus tau d tau. কি তোমরা কেউ শুনোনি এটা? নর্মাল স্টুডেন্টদের বলছি, নর্মাল রেগুলার এন্ট্রিদের। হুম? Abhishek Kumar Singh, don't you heard this Laplace inverse or Laplace transform of convolution of ft into gt in your math class? শায়নদীপ পাল, অরিজিৎ মল্লিক, কেউ বলতে পারছো না এগুলো? শুনেছো এটা? Laplace transform of ft into gt is equal to this convolution theorem. This is a convolution theorem. মনে পড়ছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার করেছিলাম।
If Laplace transform of ft, if Laplace transform of ft is fs and Laplace transform of gt is gs, then Laplace transform of ft convolution gt is this. Laplace transform of is, এটা তো পড়েছো, কনভলিউশন থিওরেম তো পড়েছো। এই কনভলিউশন মানে কি, ft ইনটু gt মানে এটা, মানে ল্যাপ্লাস ট্রান্সফর্ম অফ ft কনভলিউশন gt উইল বি fs ইনটু gs। ম্যাথ আমার পড়ার কথা না, আমি বলে লাভ নেই স্যার। তাহলে আমি ডাইরেক্ট করে যাচ্ছি, ধরে নিচ্ছি তোমরা জানো, ম্যাথস পড়া থেকে আমি শেষ হয়ে যাবো। তাহলে we need to find the Laplace inverse of si minus a inverse b us. All right, so we have to find the Laplace inverse of this. There are two functions. Okay, one is this and second one is us. Okay, Now, if we consider Laplace inverse of US is ut, and we know Laplace inverse of SI minus A inverse কি হয় বলো? আগের দিনই করেছি। কত হবে এটা? কত হবে এটা? আগের দিনই করেছি e to the power at.
e to the power 80.
So now, what will be the Laplace inverse of? There are two terms. This is one term. This is second term. So that means, so we need to use convolution theorem. Okay, that means here we have a function. This is say fs, and this is gs. Say this is fs, and this is say gs. So the Laplace inverse of fs gs will be this function. This will be the answer. Laplace inverse of fs into gs will be this convolution function. Right? So that means, if we consider the Laplace transform of us is Laplace inverse of us is ut, and Laplace inverse we know is of si minus a inverse is to the power 80. Therefore, this will be a convolution theorem. This is 0 to t e to the power e to the power e to the power a t minus tau b is a constant. We don't have to do anything, and us is u tau d tau. Okay, so the Laplace inverse of si minus a inverse b us is e to the power a t minus tau b u tau. Okay, এই জায়গাটা আমি আরেকবার বলছি, আমার মনে হয় না তোমরা অঙ্ক কিছু কাছে কিছু অঙ্ক শিখেছো। অসুবিধা অঙ্ক না জানলে আরেকবার বলছি, শুনে নাও। Let Laplace transform of ft is fs. Laplace transform of gt is say gs. Then Laplace transform of ft convolution gt, this will be fs into gs. Okay, that means convolution in time domain is the Laplace transform of convolution in time domain is basically fs into gs. That means, if we find the Laplace inverse of fs into gs, it will be the convolution of ft into gt. Okay, that means here we have two functions, e to the power at and ut and e to the power at. So if we take a Laplace inverse, it will be the convolution of these two functions. Okay, now we know the definition of convolution. Ft convolution gt means integration 0 to t ft or gt minus tau d tau, or you can write reverse. Reverse, you can write also the reverse, that is ft minus tau g tau d tau. This is the convolution function. Okay, so that means there are two functions, fs into gs. If you take Laplace inverse, it will be the convolution function. So that means here the Laplace transform of us assume is ut. Laplace inverse of si minus a inverse is say e to the power at. Now if you take Laplace inverse, there are two two functions in S domain, so it will be the convolution function. Okay, so therefore the input, the state response due to the input is e to the power a t minus tau b u tau d tau. This is the state response due to input, or zero IC response, or the response due to excitation or the input. Okay, now what will be the total response? Therefore, total state response কি হবে তাহলে? Total state response is equal to zero input response plus zero input response plus zero initial condition response. Okay, we know the total zero input response we know, which is e to the power at x0. This is the zero input response. We have calculated this, and we have just derived the expression of zero initial condition response, which is integration 0 to t e to the power a t minus tau b u tau d tau. Therefore, total state response is this. This is the total state response. That is the response due to initial condition, that is e to the power atx0, plus response due to input, which is the convolution of state transition matrix. You know, e to the power at is called the state transition matrix, and the input. Okay, and finally, what will be the output response? Therefore, output response, what will be the output response? What will be the output response? So therefore, this is a state response. Therefore, output response is response. What will be the output response? We know y is equal to cx plus du. Okay, this is the output expression. We know output y equal to cx plus du. Therefore, basically y means the y of function of t, which is equal to c xt. Xt, you know, you have calculated the xt, which is a t x0 plus integration 0 to t e to the power a t minus tau b u tau du tau, putting the value of xt plus du. So this is the solution of the total output response. This is all right. Clear? So the first, this is zero initial zero input response, or the response due to initial condition. This is the response due to excitation. So total state response will be addition of these two. Okay, then this is the total state response, and finally calculate the output response. We have the output equation y equal to cx plus du. Putting the value of x here, you will get the output response. Okay, all our matrix, you know. অলরাইট, তাহলে আমাদের তিনটে জিনিস শিখতে হবে। বেসিক্যালি এগুলো কিছুই আমি পরীক্ষায় দেবো না, পরীক্ষা তো খালি অঙ্কই দেবো। তা দুটো তিনটে জিনিস আমরা শিখলাম, তাহলে সেটা আমি বলে দিই আরেকবার ফাইনালি। জিরো input, you must memorize this. Zero input response, which is xt equal to e to the power at x0, where e to the power at is the Laplace inverse of si minus a inverse, si minus a inverse. Zero IC response is xt is equal to integration 0 to t e to the power a t minus tau b u tau d tau. Total state response, please memorize this. Total state response is addition of these two. This is total state response, e to the power at x0 plus 0 to t e to the power a t minus tau b u tau d tau, and finally the output response, which is cx plus du. Put the value of xt here, you will get the total output response. Okay, ঠিক আছে, প্রবলেমটা লিখছি। A system, শুনতে পাচ্ছ সবাই?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
একটা প্রবলেম লিখছি, দুটো অঙ্ক করাবো, যদি সময় হয় 40 মিনিট লাগবে, হয়ে যেতে পারে। প্রবলেম 1, a system is described by the following SB equation, state variable equations. X dot means here you x1 y1 ke bole, x dot is equal to 0 1 minus 3 minus 4 x means x1 x2 actually, obviously x plus 1 0 u and y equal to 1 x. A system is guessed by the following state variable equation: x dot equal to this 0 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 3 minus 4. X means you know x1 x2 and y equal to this. A find a state transition matrix. State transition Find state transition matrix. B, zero input response, if x10 is equal to 2 and x20 is equal to 0. C, response due to unit impulse function. Response due to unit impulse input or function, you can write input. D, total state response. Total state response. Total state response. E, total output response. Total output response. A system is described by the following state variable equations. Find state transition matrix. Find zero input response if initial condition is this. Response due to unit impulse function input, total state response, and total output response. Okay, just follow the procedure that I have been adapting. Okay, please do not do any extra steps. It will be unnecessarily increase the burden of calculation. Just follow. Whether you appear for semester exam or you appear for IES exam or IES, okay, he will give you a problem of 20 marks in there. In IES or IES, you will get 20 marks from this type of problem. Remember, do not write any extra steps. If you write any extra steps, if you apply, just follow that I am following. Okay, if you use anything, then unnecessarily increase your computational burden. Okay, first state transition matrix. Just follow me. Okay, A, state transition matrix. Okay, now we know it is e to the power at. Have to find e to the power at. Now a to the power at means Laplace inverse of si minus a inverse. Okay, this is okay. No way you can calculate e to the power at from here, because this is a matrix. So how to find to the power? You cannot find. So why not you use this formula? So Laplace inverse of SI A inverse. So that means S, I will be same dimension as A. Here A is 2 into 2. That means I will be also 2 into 2. If A is 3 into 3, I will be 3 into 3. Okay, so that means it will be 1 0 0 1. A is 0 1 minus 3 minus 4. 0 1 minus 3 minus 4. Okay, it's inverse. That means this is Laplace inverse of S 0 0 S minus 0 1 minus 3 minus 4. That means it's inverse. That is Laplace inverse of S minus 1 3 S plus 4 inverse. Okay, that means so you find its inverse. জায়গা কম আছে আমি এখানে করছি e to the power at is therefore its inverse, that is Laplace inverse of কি হবে? You have to change transpose of adjoint matrix by determinants. Transpose of adjoint matrix you calculate. It is S plus 4 S 1 minus 3. This is the transpose of adjoint matrix divided by the determinants. Determinants is S square plus 4S plus 3. Alright, determinant is ঠিক আছে, ভুল করলে বলো। Just finding the inverse transpose of adjoint matrix by determinants. Okay, so that means Laplace inverse, if you can factor this is S plus 1 into S plus this one is S plus 1 into S plus 3. Okay, so that means S plus 4 by S plus 1 into S plus 3, 1 by S plus 1 into S plus 3 minus 3 S plus 1 into S plus 3 and S by S plus 1 into S plus 3. ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে তো? So you have to find the 4 Laplace inverse here. ঠিক আছে, আগে অঙ্কে একটা ল্যাপ্লাস ইনভার্স করলে 5 নম্বর পেতে, এখানে 4টে করলে 1 পাবে বা 2 পাবে, মাথায় রেখো। ইজ ইট ক্লিয়ার? ঠিক আছে, নাও ইউল ফাইন্ড দ্য পার্শিয়াল ফ্র্যাকশন। ইউ উইল ফাইন্ড দ্য পার্শিয়াল ফ্র্যাকশন। কি হবে বলো পার্শিয়াল ফ্র্যাকশন করলে? এটা তো ইজিলি করতে পারবে। কি হবে বলো? এটা পার্শিয়াল ফ্র্যাকশন কি করে করবো? 4টে পার্শিয়াল ফ্র্যাকশন করতে হবে তো। এইটা তো খুব সহজেই করতে পারবে আশা করি। আমি পাশে এটা তো খুব সহজেই করতে পারবে। এখানে করে দিই 1 বাই এস প্লাস 1 ইন্টু এস প্লাস 3। কি লিখতে পারি তাহলে? কি লিখতে পারি? এস প্লাস 3 মাইনাস এস প্লাস 1 এস প্লাস 1 ইন্টু এস প্লাস 3। ওকে, হাফ। তাহলে বাইরে ওপরে আসছে 2 আসছে, 2 হাফ করলে এটা হাফ হলে হয়ে যাবে। দ্যাট মিনস হাফ অফ এস প্লাস 1 মাইনাস হাফ অফ এস প্লাস 3। ঠিক আছে, এই দুটো হয়ে গেল, এটা হয়ে গেল। আর এটাও তো তাই, জাস্ট ইউ মাল্টিপ্লাই উইথ মাইনাস 3, সেম হবে, তাই তো? This is also 1 by s plus 1 into 1 by into s plus 3. This is also 1 by s plus 1 into 3. Just you multiply with minus 3. ওকে, আর ফাইনালি আছে এই দুটো। ঠিক আছে, তাহলে আমার কত আছে ফাইনালি? s plus 4 by s plus 1 into s plus 3 কত হবে এটা বলো তো? You can write this as a by s plus 1 plus b by s plus 3. That means s plus 4 is equal to a into s plus 3 plus b into s plus 1. So if you put s equal to minus 3, you will get b. So what will be the value of b? If you put s equal to minus 3, b will be what? Minus half. কেউ কিছু বলছো না আমাকে। Put s equal to minus 3, তাহলে এটা 1 minus 2, that is b equal to minus 2. Okay, and if you put s equal to minus 1, you will get a. So a is minus 1 means 3
by 2.
ওকে, তাহলে এটাও হয়ে গেল, এই টার্মটাও হয়ে গেল। তাকে বাকি রইল এইটা s ইন্টু s প্লাস 1 ইন্টু s প্লাস 3। ওকে, আমি শিওর তুমি আইএস বা আইএস এর একটা এরকম কোশ্চেন দেবে গোটা, তুমি দেখে নিও, পুরোনো কোশ্চেন যে কোনো দেখে নেবে, পাবে s by s plus 1 into s plus 3. So you can write as a by s plus 1 plus b by s plus 3. So that means you can write s equal to a into, এটা রাফে করে নেবে এই ক্যালকুলেশনটা, s plus 3 into b by s plus 1. So if you put s equal to minus 1, you will get a. Put s equal to minus 1, you will get a. a কত হচ্ছে তাহলে বলো? কত হবে a?
Minus 1 by 2.
Minus 1 by 2. And if you were to put s equal to minus 3, you will get b. b কত? b
3 by 2.
3 by 2. Very good. 3 by 2 হয়ে গেছে। তাহলে আমরা সব পেয়ে গেছি। Let us calculate. ই টু দি পাওয়ার এটা রাফে করে নেবে, আমি তো তোমরা তো পার্শিয়াল ফ্র্যাকশন করতে পারো সহজেই। তো নাও, তো ই টু দি পাওয়ার এ টি,
স্যার একটু আগের পেজ।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, এটা তো করতে পারবে, এটা দেখতে হবে। তাহলে বলো, আমি ডাইরেক্ট চলে যাচ্ছি। ই টু দি পাওয়ার এটিটা কত হবে তাহলে? এই ফার্স্ট টার্মটা কত হলো বলো? ল্যাপ্লাস ইনভার্স অফ এ এস প্লাস এইটা, হ্যাঁ, দিস ইজ, that means this is 3/2 1 by s plus 1 minus half 1 by s plus 3, তাই তো এটা
Yes, sir.
তাহলে কি লিখবো? we can write this as 3/2 3/2 3/2 1 by s plus 1 minus half 1 by s plus 3. Okay, now we already calculate this term also, this term, half of 1 by s plus 1 minus half of s plus 3. So this one is half of 1 by s plus 1 minus half of 1 by s plus 3. তারপর এটা কত আছে? This is minus 3, just you multiply with minus 3. Okay, so that means এটা সব minus 3, so minus 3/2 1 by s plus 1 plus 3/2 1 by s plus 3. And finally the last term is s by s plus 1 into s plus 3, that is this term. Okay, that means a, you have calculate a, ঠিক আছে, এ বার করেছো তো? এ কি বার করেছো তো? এ কত এসছে? ভুল করেছি নাকি দেখো? ভুল করিনি তো কিছু?
No, sir.
ঠিক আছে, তাহলে এ কত এসছে বলো? minus half 1 by s plus 1 plus 3/2 s plus 3, এটা এসছে তো? ঠিক আছে তো, নাকি ভুল করেছে কিছু?
ঠিক আছে, sir.
ইকুয়াল টু -3 বসিয়েছি, এটা 0 হয়ে গেছে, তো -3 বাই -2, দ্যাট ইজ 3/2 3/2 ঠিক আছে। So that means this is the, so now we can write e to the power 80. So e to the power 80 will be 3/2 e to the power minus t minus half e to the power minus 3t, because Laplace inverse. Okay, half e to the power minus t minus half e to the power minus 3t. You can take half common also. If you have problem, you can take half common. Let us take half common. So it will be half e to the power minus t minus 3t. এখান থেকে you can also take -3/2 common. So this is e to the power minus t minus e to the power minus 3t. E to the power minus 3t. Okay, and to take here, you can also take minus half common, or you can take this term in the first. Okay, যেটা তোমার মনে করো, minus half common নিতে পারো, you can take minus half common. So e to the power minus t e to the power 3 e to the power minus 3t. So this is the state transition matrix. So this is the most difficult part of this problem. Okay, once you know this, you can calculate anything. Okay, this term is also important. E to the power 80, which is the Laplace inverse of this. Okay, কেন বলছি বুঝতে পারবে। So once you know e to the power 80, you can calculate anything. Rest of the problem is very easy. So that means the first part is the most crucial part, calculation of state transition matrix. Okay, now you have zero input response. So now calculate zero input response. So zero input response, we know zero input response. Part B is zero input response. So zero input response, which is xt equal to e to the power at into x0. You know e to the power at, you calculate this already, 3/2 e to the power minus t, এটা আমি আগে থেকে আমার এ থেকে বলে দিচ্ছি, e to the power minus 3t half 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 e to the power minus t minus e to the power minus 3t minus 3/2 minus 3/2 কমন নিয়ে নিচ্ছ, e to the power minus t minus e to the power minus 3/t, okay, and finally minus half e to the power minus t minus 3 e to the power minus 3t. So this is the state transition matrix. And now multiply with initial condition. Initial condition is given. Initial condition matrix is given 2, 0. First state is 2 and second state is 0. So you multiply with 2, 0. So 2, 0. All right. So you multiply. So you will get the 0 input response. Ki hobe 2 into this. 2 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করে দিচ্ছ, so 3 e to the power minus t minus e to the power minus 3t, all right, and second one is also minus 3 e to the power minus t, 2 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করছি, হ্যাঁ, minus t minus e to the power minus 3t. This is the zero input response, okay, of the state's zero input response. ঠিক আছে, just multiply করে দাও। So এটা into এটা 2, this one will be 0, this one multiplied by 2 and this term will be 0 plus, okay. So this will be the state response due to initial condition. Now the next step কি ছিল? Next step কি ছিল?
Response due to unit impulse.
Function. So response due to unit impulse function. Response due to okay. So now see, response due to impulse function. Impulse function, right? So impulse function. So we know which is e to 0 to, we know that this is 0 to t in e to the power a t minus tau b u tau, okay, d tau, মনে আছে তো? এটা ছিল আমাদের response due to input. So this is the impulse. So therefore, you know, impulse function, we know this is nothing but Laplace inverse of si minus a inverse b us, ঠিক আছে? This function is basically the Laplace inverse of, এটা থেকেই তো পেয়েছি আমরা si minus a inverse b us, তাই তো? Now what is the value of us? Us is 1 because the input is impulse function, so us is 1, okay. You know b is given to you, this is b 1 0, okay, ঠিক আছে? যেটা বলছি সেটাই করবে, কিচ্ছু বাড়তি করতে যাবে না, বাড়তি করতে গেলে পুরো শেষ হয়ে যাবে। Now you have calculate si minus a inverse, okay, si minus a inverse ক্যালকুলেট করেছো, এটা নেবে, হ্যাঁ, দিস ইজ si minus a inverse, আবার ব্যাক করে কিন্তু এখানে এইটা নিতে যাবে না, এইটা নিতে যাবে না, এটা নিতে গেলে আবার ঝামেলায় পড়ে যাবে। দিস ইজ si minus a inverse, তো এখানে আমরা ক্যালকুলেট করছি si minus a inverse, এইটা নেবে না কিন্তু, ডোন্ট টেক দিস রেজাল্ট, ইউ টেক দিস রেজাল্ট, এটা অলরেডি সিম্পলিফাই আছে, এইটা নিয়ে নেবে। আমি কি বলতে বুঝতে পারছো? এইটা নেবে কিন্তু, দিস ইজ si minus a inverse, দিস ইজ si minus a inverse, এই ভ্যালুটা বসিয়ে দেবে ওখানে, তাহলে এটা বসিয়ে দেবে। যদি এই ভ্যালুটা না বসাও তাহলে কিন্তু আবার প্রথম থেকে ক্যালকুলেট করতে হবে। তো si minus a inverse ক্যালকুলেট করে ফেলো, আমরা ক্যালকুলেট করেছি অলরেডি si minus a inverse, কতবার করেছিলাম মনে আছে? এই যেখানে করেছি si minus a inverse 3/2 1 by s plus 1 minus half 1 by s plus 3, okay. This is first term. Second term, minus half 1 by s plus 1 into minus half 1 by s plus 3, ঠিক আছে? 1 by half, আচ্ছা হাফটা ঠিক আছে, s plus 1 minus half 1 by s plus 3, পরের টার্মটা ছিল কি ছিল পরেরটা -3/2 1/s + 1, তাই তো? প্লাস প্লাস এই মাইনাস, এই যে এইটা +3/2 1/s + 3, and this one was -half 1/s + 1 -half 1/s + 1 plus 3/2 1/s + 3, 3/2 1/s + 3, ঠিক আছে? s + 3, okay. This is the SI minus A inverse. This is the SI minus A inverse. All right. Okay. So please do not use the please use aste noise asche. Okay. Now this is the SI minus A inverse, and then you put the value of B. B কত দেয়া আছে? 1 0.
0.
B is 1 0 and U is 1, because input is impulse. Impulse, we know Laplace transform of impulse function is 1. So now you simplify it. Simplify গেলে কত হবে বলো?
স্যার B01 দেওয়া ছিল না?
0 1 দেওয়া ছিল না 1 0 দেওয়া ছিল? দাঁড়াও দেখে নিচ্ছি। 1 0 দেওয়া ছিল।
0 দেওয়া আছে।
1 0. This is B 1 0. So therefore B is 1 0. ওকে, তাহলে কত হবে বলো? তাহলে জাস্ট এই টার্মটা থেকে যাবে, 1 দিয়ে গুণ করছি, এত কিছু থাকছে না। So 3/2 into 1/s + 1 minus half 1/s + 3. This is your B. All right, and this term multiplied by 0. This term multiplied by 0, so it will not contribute, and this term is equal to 0. তাহলে কত হচ্ছে এটা বলো, তাড়াতাড়ি করে বলো। -3/2 1/s + 1 plus 3/2 1/s + 3. ঠিক আছে? Because the second term will be 0. Okay, so what will be the answer? Response due to impulse. What will be the response due to impulse function? Quick. কত হবে তাহলে? e to the power, হ্যাঁ 3/2, half না 3/2?
হ্যাঁ, আচ্ছা 3/2 e to the power minus t minus
half
1/2
হ্যাঁ
e to the power
e to the power
minus 3t.
-3t,
-3t, and এটার জন্য
-3/2 e to the power -t
t plus
plus
3/2 e to the power -3t.
-3t. This is the response due to the impulse input. Now the final two portion, total state response. Therefore total state response কি হবে? D. Total state response কি হবে? Total state response কি হবে বলো? So this is the response due to impulse, and this is the response due to, you add these two, you add this function, this is say these two you add, you will get the total response. আমি এখানে করে দিচ্ছি, সুবিধা হবে আমার, তাহলে একটা লিখতে কম হবে। ঠিক আছে? টোটাল স্টেট রেসপন্স, টোটাল স্টেট হবে xt, এটা this matrix plus the matrix that we have just calculated. So this one 3/2 e to the power -t minus 3/2 e to the power -3t, and this one is -3/2 আচ্ছা এটা আমি ভুল করেছি না? তুমি আমাকে বলোনি, এটা তো হাফ ছিল, তোমরা আমাকে বলোনি, বলো এই জায়গাটাতে কিছু ভুল করেছি নাকি? ঠিকই করেছি, 3/2 আছে, হাফ, ঠিক আছে। তাহলে এটা হাফ হবে, হাফ e to the power -t, 3/2 e to the power -t e to the power -t plus 3/2 e to the power plus 3/2 e to the power -3t. Okay, this is the initial condition, this is the impulse. So you simplify and find the find the total state response. Total state response. তাড়াতাড়ি আর বলো টোটাল স্টেট রেসপন্স কত হবে তাহলে? কত হচ্ছে? বলো কত হচ্ছে? যোগ করো এই দুটো। কত হবে? কি অবস্থা? কত হবে? হ্যালো,
Sir, 9
e to the power minus 3
minus 3
minus
minus 3 by 2
e to the power minus
e to the power minus 3t.
আর এইটা ক্যালকুলেট করলে
Minus 9 by 2 e to
minus
the power minus
by 2 e to the power minus t,
t
হ্যাঁ minus t
and এটা হচ্ছে plus
plus
3 by 2
plus 3 plus হবে
plus 9 by
plus 9 by
হ্যাঁ 9 by 2 e to the power minus 3t.
This is the total state response. Okay, and finally the output response. The output response is Cx plus du. Cx plus du. There is no d. D is a null. So you just multiply with this. You have calculate this x that is state response. Now you multiply with -1 -1. You will get the total state response. The total state response. This is the state response. Now we multiply with C matrix. 1 1 multiplied by minus 9 by 2 e to the power minus t minus 3 by 2 e to the power minus 3t minus 9 by 2 e to the power minus t plus 9 by 2 e to the power minus 3t. So what will be the final output? So just one addition, just multiply these two matrix. কি হবে? কত হবে তাহলে করে বলো? What will be the output response? Addition of this 9 by 2 e to the power minus t minus 3 by 2 e to the power minus 3 by t plus
3 e to the power minus 3 by 2 3t.
So this is minus 9 by 2 e to the power minus 9t plus 9 by 2 e to the power minus 3t. So therefore the output response is what? How much?
Sir, 3 e to the power minus 3t.
3 e to the power minus 3t. দেখো তো সিম্পল, মানে ট্রান্সফার ফাংশন হচ্ছে 3 by s plus 3. This is the transfer function.